I know. Last time I did this, it didn't go too well. But this time, this time is gonna be different.
How, Sway?
I actually know what I'm doing this time. I'm gonna be honest with you. I know my voice is cracking a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And
Today, Junior?
it may not look like I'm serious, but I'm serious. All right, we gonna get this clan lay going. All right, let's go. Alright you guys, this is what my waves is looking like so far. Alright, but after we do this clan lay, it's gonna look a lot better. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys what you need. First, you need this Indian healing clay right here. Alright, you can pick this up at Walmart. Next, you need this apple cider vinegar. Your favorite oils and butters. I recommend that you make sure that your oils or your butters are melted. Don't just mix them while your butters are solid. A plastic bowl and a plastic spoon and a steamer, okay? Yeah, a steamer, okay? It don't gotta be this big, but get yourself a steamer, okay? All right. And last but not least, you're gonna need like a spray bottle, something that sprays, so you wanna wet your hair. I like to put in the clay with my hair dry. I don't like to put it in with my hair damped. That way I can lock in how my waves look right then and there, all right? You're gonna know what I'm talking about. We're gonna eventually, oh hell no, wet our hair anyway using this. So without further ado, let me show you how I mix it. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get my clay and I'll get about 4 good spoonful scoops and you know, just put it in my bowl. Next, with my apple cider vinegar, I'm gonna get about 4 capfuls and put it in my bowl and then mix it. So as you can see, I need to add a little bit more apple cider vinegar because we want to get it like a pasty pudding type mix. So I added a little bit too much apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to go in and thicken it up by just adding a little bit more clay. So this is the consistency you want it to be like before you start adding your oils. So the oils I'll be using are virgin babasu oil, mink mix, Diva Wet Wet, and Tracy Loren's explosive growth oil. So when it comes to the oil, I'm definitely not stingy. I'm gonna use 2 drops of the explosive growth oil, 2 spoonfuls of the virgin babasu oil, and also 2 spoonfuls of the mink mix / the Diva Wet Wet. I actually mixed these 2 oils together. Alright, so now that I have my mix, I'm going to apply it in my crown first. The reason why I'm going to apply it in my crown first is because I brush from the crown down, alright? I want to apply it to my crown area from the top of my head and make sure it spreads evenly down. Also, I want to make sure my crown is intact, alright? The crown is the most sensitive area, so I want to lay down my crown, make sure it's all in there before I just put it everywhere else. So, let's go. I like to apply it with my spoon, because I don't know, this just allows me to, you know, put it in the cup of my spoon and just distribute it just like this. So for me, it's easier than to use a brush applicator. So I'm just going around my crown area nice and evenly, making sure I keep that circle as neat as possible. And with the spoon, I'm able to just, you know, drag the clay, scoop the clay, and just put it on those other areas. Just like that. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my spray bottle. I'm just gonna saturate it a little bit, make sure everything's nice and wet before I brush it in. So I'm just gonna work on my crown, brush it in a little bit.
Wavy, 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 wavy. Wavy, wavy, wavy.
Boom, now that I have it brushed in, I'm gonna start just applying the rest of it throughout my entire head.
Wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy.
Now that I have it applied in my hair, I'm just gonna spray it.
Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy.
Then I'm gonna brush everything in. So a lot of people will say, why you didn't just wet your hair first? Like I said, it's because I want everything intact. I don't want to loosen my curls because I'm just gonna, you know, spray it with the bottle, and everything is gonna be wet anyway. So, you know, by the whole outcome of this, it's gonna be wet. So don't worry about, at least the way I do it, I don't worry about wetting my hair first.
Wavy. Wavy.
Now when you're brushing this in your hair, you don't want to let it get dry. So that's why you keep a spray bottle on you and keep you know, misting it until it's nice and damp.
Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy.
Alright, so now that I got my hair nice and laid, there's one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. You need a stocking cap, alright? You need one of these. Something that the water can drain your hair through easily. A mesh durag. Something that's just, I don't know, I prefer a stocking cap like this. Anybody want to know where I got this from? I picked it up at Walmart. Kind of embarrassing to say, but this is pantyhose. These are women's stockings. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have to cut this one because it was like a sock, and I got a small head. Pause. But yeah, I got it at Walmart. It's a stocking cap. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna steam my hair. All right, let's go. So basically, I'm gonna stay under here for like 10 minutes while my hair steams. And yeah, after that, I'm gonna go in the bathroom, rinse my hair out, and just wait for my hair to dry. And after that, my hair will be nice, shiny, healthy. It's gonna look laid. Watch, the results is crazy. Let's go wash this out. Alright, so I'm basically done rinsing it out, and now it's time to just clean everything up. I'm gonna clean out my, you know, brushes, clean up the splackle splicker all over the mirror, and yeah. By the time I get done with everything, I'm gonna chill, probably wait for 2 hours or even the next day, all right? Don't fault me if I have to come back the next day, but you guys ain't even gonna know, all right? Let's get to cleaning up. Alright, you guys, we are back. Let me show you guys the results real quick. Alright, you guys seen how my hair was looking before and how it looks now. Definitely brings the luster back in my hair. Definitely makes my hair nice and soft, nice and laid, silky looking. I mean, it just looks healthy in general. So if you guys want to do this, make sure you follow along, make sure you follow the steps. But shout out to affiliates for helping me learn how to do this clay and lay. And most importantly, shout out to Glenn and Karan for really helping me. Glenn with the products and the hair health, and Karan for really sticking with me and, you know what I mean, guiding me through the process of this clay inlay. So I appreciate you guys. Another special shout out, wait a minute, to the one that put me on in general, my dog, AG. You know what I'm saying? AG Wolf. Shout out to you, appreciate it. Everybody that helped me, shout out to you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, wait a minute, I gotta keep saying this, all right? Listen, the V1 brush still on the website, so if you haven't picked up yours, make sure you do so. The medium and hard is on the way. Like I said, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. It's your boy 360GZ. I'm out. Peace.